is up, guys? It's another day, another cold day, winter day. I just want spring, you know. So I'm gonna meet up with my boy Omer. We're gonna go look for a tire for his GTI. He's scared of the little lump on his tire. He doesn't want it to blow up. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Costco, see if we can get one tire. Hopefully everything goes well today. And yeah, like, I really want the cold to go away, guys, because it's been way too cold lately. And I am missing spring. Please hurry, spring. Now let's hit the road. All right, guys. So, Omer is at Tire World, and he's getting his new tire for his GTI. So we're gonna head to the mechanics to get his tire changed. And it's just one tire change.
Huh?
It's just one tire.
Did you show him the tire?
What?
Did you see why I'm changing it?
Oh. Alright, guys. So this is what Omer's tire. Wait, where is it? Oh, here it is. Look at that little lump he's scared about. It's a pimple. Pop.
Chill. If that shit pops right now, bro. Did it get bigger?
Yeah, no, it didn't get big.
Yo, look at this. You see this part?
Oh!
Yo, that's what happens when you get pregnant and then your skin stretches.
Okay, let's head to the shop. Club Volkswagen. Y'all gotta join the Club Volkswagen, you know? Everyone's driving one. Look at that. Jetta, Golf, and a sport wagon. Yeah. I got the same turn signals as Omer does, so yeah. I gotta do like a little reel for that. It'll look cool.
Good.
Fresh tires! The pimple is gone!
It's still low. Ooh, the springs are still settling in. You see how it was high?
Yeah.
This one's okay. The front one's settling.
Okay. Alright.
I was in there before.
Oh, you finally got the tune. Now it's gonna be a monster.
There it is. Look, that's the new file I just downloaded. DSGI.
Oh, look at that, guys.
That wasn't there before. We don't need that. DSG tunes aren't that long. We don't need a battery. If we're doing an ECU, then
Please wait for DSG input generate. The monster's gonna be alive.
yes, it already was. It's just, you know, doesn't have its full potential,
It didn't have its full.
and it still doesn't.
Still?
It's not even the final form yet.
Wow.
This IS38. You know, gotta get an intercooler.
Yeah.
Gotta do the cosmetic shit. Look, it already started. Hopefully, it doesn't take long. Look at all the shit that's popping up, all the lights.
The Christmas lights are on.
No! Where's the green though?
1%. Let's go.
Oh, my battery's gonna die before that happens.
Nah, you'll be fine.
Yeah. Bro, the ECU fucking tune takes like 20 minutes. It's crazy. And no matter what tune you get, you can get a flash tune, you can get a call access port,
Yeah.
AP tune, like, it doesn't matter.
Okay. Now we
It's
wait.
not bad. It's not bad. It's pretty fast.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Now we wait.
Unless if it comes to 99 and it freezes like it always does.
Wow.
I don't know what this.
If that happens, I'm going home. I'm not waiting. Whoa, it's actually going really fast.
Oh, what the heck? When did it jump to 22 from 11?
Look at it, it's going so fast.
I looked down and it was 11, and I looked up, I was like, yeah, it's pretty fast. That was pretty fast. That was faster than Unitronic. It took about like, less than 5 minutes?
Yeah, yo.
I thought it would be like 15, 10 minutes, but okay.
Oh, the monster is about to be alive, guys.
Hopefully.
Wow, it's stuck at... Oh, I spoke too soon.
I'm just waiting for the brrrr. Because that, I noticed, compared to Unitronic, that wasn't loud in this car.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was, but it wasn't as loud as Unitronic ones. So it's gonna be faster and it's gonna make that. Hopefully, I don't want to get my hopes up. I did that with the ECU, but then I did get caught off guard because it was loud as fuck.
90%, 93, 95. Whoa, that thing is jumping. What the heck? Ah!
See what it does? At 100, it just gets stuck.
Error. Park.
I told you there's more.
Wait, there's more?
Oh, this one's very fast.
Oh, this one's going fast.
Yeah, it's already at like 50.
Was there more after that?
I don't know. This is my first time doing this. How would I know?
Okay, it's done.
Please turn key to off.
Oh,
wait, shut up. Turn on. Immediate. Oh shit! And then press OK. Fuck.
Rip.
Should've done it immediately. Oh.
Success.
Turn it off. Wait. Change. Please turn on navigation off position for at least 15 seconds before starting. Okay. Oh wait, 15 seconds.
1, 2.
Meanwhile.
I'm
Okay, now that's a 0 to 60. We don't want that. Where's the gauge at? There we go. It won't show yet because the card's not there.
All right, y'all. Here we go. Let this show begin.
What is this guy doing here? Get that fuck out of the way, loser. Loser. Why does that park like this?
This I don't know, man. People park weird, you know. He's gonna watch this YouTube video and be like, yo, my car's on YouTube.
Who does that? I wonder who does that.
I wonder who does that.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, plug deal.
I think I feel a difference.
Yeah?
I feel a little
More response?
I don't know what I feel.
Is it more responsive?
I don't know what I feel, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Wait, I haven't even diddly done anything yet.
Is it more responsive though?
Shit.
Let's see. Whoa.
Why does it feel like it is faster? It's faster for sure. It shifts faster.
Yeah?
It shifts faster.
Okay.
Just for family school and the other school on that side.
They might be chilling there.
I don't know. It did something. I just don't know what it did. The auto response is maybe faster. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I can't tell.
Okay, what did the Is it? No, it's
fucking
not.
RAV4.
Bruh.
Oh, I canceled it.
Yeah?
Pressed on the paddle again. Come on, steals.
So, how does it feel?
Grab.
Grip?
This guy moved up.
You're a menace. Oh, we have too much fun, man.
Oh, smell the fumes?
Yeah. Woo!
We love them fumes.
We love them fumes.
On our line, I think, behind me.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's just our line. Don't need to get excited.
Hey, they still look good though.
Yeah, they look good.
Yeah.
Supermoto look nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, the shifts are faster for sure.
Oh yeah?
Shifts are faster. Holy
crap! Okay, this thing has momentum now.
You hear the turbo? Turbo's going nuts right now.
It's loving the air outside.
It is.
Bro, your fumes are strong.
That might have been a flame, I'm not sure.
Yeah?
Oh! Wait, that had a different tone to it. It
Yeah?
wasn't it did pop, pop, pop with it.
Okay, okay.
Bro, I don't know if I'm shooting fucking flames or not.
Smells like something's burning. You can make
That's-
some marshmallows.
That's like everything. Nah, it's so bumpy. Look at that shit.
Yeah, you don't want another
This guy's
pimple on your tongue. The people outside the house are like, oh my god! Probably when it gets warmer,
No problem.
you'll start shooting flames.
It's actually louder outside. I don't know why. Like it's way louder outside.
Like louder than before?
No. Like compared to inside, it's louder. I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we'll test this bad boy out some other day, I guess. See
Yeah.
if it's shooting flames. I gotta
Yeah.
keep on dumping it.
Oh,
It pops. Maybe on the highway you can see. Highway's the best place to know if you're shooting flames or not.
right?
You gotta go on like a nice at night, you know, when you can see the flames.
Yeah.
And see if you know.
That Audi though, looking pretty nice. Yo, you might be able to shoot flames now.
Maybe who knows?
We'll see summertime when it gets warmer. The whole neighborhood is gonna know who you are now.
They're gonna come down around these neighborhoods. They're gonna come down. Oh, that's you. I'm like, who the fuck is that?
This guy parks so close. I don't
Why
know,
do they look
man.
like so tight? Or if I had my Rogue, I would have been. Oh, I might hit that
Look at
curve
that
on the
wagon.
corner.
No, you're good. You're good. Yeah, just back up a little bit.
See, God bless for fucking sensors, right?
Yeah.
There's like this little curve right there, but the ice also there. If I didn't have the ice, my lip would have got.
Take a look at this beauty steering. Oh, your hand, yo. Oh.
It's not on yet. Just wait.
What?
Plug this in yet.
It doesn't have to be on.
I'm turning it
Look at
on.
that carbon fiber.
I'm turning on my steering wheel.
Fine.
Turning it on. Just wait.
Yo, I might get one soon. Maybe not LED, but I don't know. Not for this sport wagon.
Maybe don't get the LED. It might be rice for you.
Yeah, for the car, for the sport wagon.
Carbon fiber though, or get forged.
Forged, yeah, I was looking at
The
it.
other one is gonna get forged too.
With Alcantara.
Let me turn the car on. Please work.
Who's that guy behind? Man's admiring your car, yo. Who is that? Look at that, guys.
Is it gonna work?
GTI.
There we go, it works.
Oh, RPM.
That's all you get.
Yeah.
That's all you get.
He's at home. He doesn't want to get in trouble, you know,
Yeah.
with the neighbors. Be like, "Ah, this guy drives a gun car."
I don't think they care, but like, oh, I need to check what that plastic shit was at the bottom.
And there you have it, guys. That concludes the end of the video. That was a really powerful and aggressive tune from Mare's GTI. It was really sick. Really liked it. And yeah, more to come. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you guys soon. Later.